Myself, Dr. Khan Romana from Zoology Department, JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Maligaon. I heartily welcome you in my lecture. Today my topic is types of egg. Now we see what are the different types of the egg. As you know that eggs are female gametes. As a result of oogenesis, eggs are developed and mature. Eggs are classified into different types on the basis of amount of yolk present inside the egg or distribution of the yolk inside the egg or presence or absence of the shell and types of the development. In this way, there are various bases. On such basis, eggs are classified into different types. Now, types of eggs on the basis of amount of yolk. Now, eggs are classified into alacethal and lacethal. These are the two major types of the egg, and such distribution is based on amount of the yolk. Alacethal egg means if the yolk is entirely absent in the egg. Such egg is called as a alacethal egg. अगर एग के अंदर योक नहीं है तो ऐसे एग को हम alacethal egg कहते हैं. इन marsupials, for example kangaroo and eutherian mammals like man and other primates, eggs do not contain yolk and hence the eggs are called as a alacethal. Another type of the egg is a microlacethal egg. If the egg contain very little amount of the yolk, it is called as a microlacethal. For example, egg of sea urchin, tunicates, amphioxus, etc. If the amount of the yolk is very less, such eggs are called as a microlacethal. Mesolacethal egg. If the eggs contain moderate amount of the yolk, such egg is called as a mesolacethal. For example, egg of petromyzon, lampreys, lungfish, frog, toad, etc. Here what happened? Yolk is neither more nor very less. Amount of the yolk is moderate and such type of the egg is called as a mesolacethal egg. Another type of the egg is a macrolacethal. If the egg contains large amount of the yolk, such egg is called as a macrolacethal or megalacethal. For example, egg of insects, shark, bonifacius, reptiles, birds and prototherian mammals. Now, eggs are classified on the basis of distribution of yolk in the cytoplasm. On such basis, eggs are classified as homolacethal, means if the yolk is uniformly distributed all over the oplasm. Such eggs are called as a homolacethal egg. For example, egg of echinoderms and amphioxus. Another type of the egg is a telolacethal. If the yolk is concentrated towards the vegetal pole of the egg, अगर yolk vegetal pole पर मौजूद है तो ऐसे egg को हम telolacethal कहेंगे. Yolk is present or concentrated at the vegetal pole of the egg. In this egg, amount of yolk gradually decreases from vegetal pole towards the animal pole. For example, egg of fishes, amphibians, reptiles and birds. Meolacethal egg. In this type of egg, the yolk is very large, which occupied nearly the entire oplasm, leaving free only a small disc-like area of cytoplasm for the nucleus. तो meolacethal egg में क्या होता है? yolk occupied whole surface of the egg. egg की जो पूरी जो उसकी जो स्पेस होती है उसको जो yolk कवर किए हुए होता है. ओनली जो है वो स्पेस वेयर न्यूक्लियस इज प्रेजेंट, सिर्फ वहाँ पर जो yolk नहीं पाया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, egg of reptiles, birds and egg laying mammals. Centrolacethal egg. If yolk is centrally located and surrounded by a thin layer of cytoplasm, such type of egg is called as a centrolacethal egg, and such type of eggs are present or seen in insects. On the basis of presence or absence of shell, eggs are classified as celiodovic egg and non-celiodovic egg. celiodovic egg किसे कहेंगे? Eggs are covered by hard shell for protection which is permeable for gases. Yolk is present in sufficient quantity. सिलियोडेविक मीन्स जैसे आपने देखा होगा बर्ड्स रेप्टाइल्स में जो एग जो होते हैं दे आर सराउंडेड बाय और कवर्ड बाय हार्ड प्रोटेक्टिव कवरिंग और मेम्ब्रेन विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ उसे जो है वो शेल कहा जाता है. एंड शेल इज़ मेड बाय कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. शेल इज़ पोरस. हियर अबाउट 1000 होल्स आर प्रेजेंट, माइन्यूट होल्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द shell of the egg, and such porous shells are useful for or permeable for the gases, or here exchange of the gases are takes place. For example, egg of reptiles and birds. Another type of the egg is called as a non-ciliododic eggs. They are without shell and this develop in aquatic media and uterus of the female. For example, Amphioxus, mammal, frog and Herdmania. ऐसे जानदार animals in which fertilization takes place in water or internal fertilization takes place. Such type of the animals having the egg without shell, and such eggs are called as a non-ciliododic eggs. For example, Amphioxus, mammals, frog, Herdmania, etc. On the basis of types of the development, there are two types of the eggs: determinate and indeterminate. Now we see what is the determinate or mosaic egg. In those animals' egg, the fate of every portion of the egg is predetermined, called determinate or mosaic egg. एग के अंदर जो है वो पहले से ही जो है ये चीज़ डिटरमिन होती है कि विच पोर्शन ऑफ द एग डिटरमिन द हेड और विच पोर्शन ऑफ द एग डिटरमिन द टेल और अदर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. तो such type of the eggs are called as a determinate or mosaic egg. If a particular part of egg is removed, the developing embryo will be lacking in a particular organ. Suppose if head region is developed from the so and so part of the egg, and if such part of the egg is removed or cut off, then embryo develop without head. क्योंकि उसका जो हिस्सा जो था वो प्री डिटरमिन था कि हेड को यहाँ से डेवलप होना है. अब जब वो हिस्सा नहीं है तो हेड का डेवलपमेंट नहीं होगा. तो इस टाइप के जो एग्स होती हैं दे आर कॉल्ड एज अ डिटरमिनेट और मोज़ेक एग. फॉर एग्जांपल, पॉलीकेट्स, निमेरेटीन, एनेलिड, मोलस्कास, एसिडियंस, एटसेट्रा. दिस ऑल आर द एग्जांपल in which determinate or mosaic eggs are present. And the second type of the egg is called as a indeterminate or regulative egg. In those egg, the fate of every portion of the egg is not predetermined, called indeterminate or regulative egg. यानी एग के अंदर ऐसा कोई पोर्शन नहीं होता है, पहले से प्री डिटरमिन नहीं होता है कि हेड को यहाँ से डेवलप होना है और टेल को यहाँ से डेवलपमेंट होना है. ऐसा कोई भी पोर्शन नहीं होता है. और इस टाइप के जो एग होते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड एज अ इनडिटरमिनेट और रेगुलेटिव एग. इफ़ अ पर्टिकुलर पार्ट ऑफ एग इज़ रिमूव्ड, इट कैन डेवलप इनटू अ नॉर्मल एम्ब्रियो विदाउट एनी डिफेक्ट. एग के अगर कोई भी हिस्सा कट जाएगा, रिमूव हो जाएगा, तो भी एम्ब्रियो पे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. एम्ब्रियो डेवलप नॉर्मली. बिकॉज क्यों नॉर्मल उसका डेवलपमेंट होगा? क्योंकि एग इज़ नॉट प्रीडिटरमिन्ड. एग के अंदर ऐसा कोई भी पोर्शन नहीं है कि यहाँ से इस ऑर्गन को डेवलप होना है या इस पोर्शन से इस टिश्यूज़ को डेवलप होना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एम्फियोक्सस, मैमल्स, एटसेट्रा. थैंक यू. दिस इज़ अबाउट द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द एग.